We continue to see interstate legal battles over abortion laws. Just this month, New York State Governor Kathy Hochul signed a bill to protect the identities of doctors who prescribe abortion pills online across state lines. It comes after Dr. Margaret Carpenter of New York was indicted by a Louisiana grand jury in late January for prescribing abortion pills to a pregnant minor in Louisiana. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton also filed a lawsuit against that same New York doctor in December 2024 for sending abortion pills to a woman in Texas. The new law allows doctors to omit their names from abortion pill bottles and instead use the name of their healthcare practice. The state of Virginia is moving to protect doctors who prescribe the abortion pill, provide abortions, and offer so-called transgender care from criminal charges in other states. The legislation would protect doctors who perform abortions on women who come to Virginia for the deadly procedure from being extradited. Doctors who give puberty blockers and other controversial so-called treatment would also be protected, so long as the medical care was performed in the state of Virginia. The Virginia State Senate has passed the bill, and it's in consideration in the House. Meanwhile, the Virginia House and Senate approved an amendment to enshrine abortion in the state constitution and could head to the ballot box as soon as 2026. EWTN News Nightly's Owen Jensen spoke with Virginia Governor Glenn Youngkin about the state's extreme abortion amendment and what actions Virginians need to take.
They want to, of course, have abortion all the way up through and including birth with no restrictions, and that is exactly what everyone in Virginia was afraid of, and they tried to suggest that it wouldn't be that extreme, but that's exactly what they have at least passed through both houses as a constitutional amendment. And this is where I think Virginians are far more centered than this constitutional amendment that has been passed. And so we just got to come together as Virginians and find common sense again.
The White House is also focusing on the transgender issue. President Donald Trump recently signed an executive order to ban biological men from women's sports. The president signed the order surrounded by female athletes. He says the order will protect opportunities for women and girls to compete in safe and fair sports. President Trump also said, quote, "The war on women's sports is over." Federal funding will be pulled from any schools that do not comply. The NCAA, the governing body for college athletics, has now banned biological men from women's sports.